Welcome back. Back working on the Galant, and today we're going to give it a front end. For those new around here, this is a 1976 Galant, been working on for about a year. Already done the rust repair. It's been painted in this beautiful Pink Panther colour. Have fitted the Sigma engine to it, the 2.6 Astron. It's got a 5-speed in it, and yeah, today I'm going to put the front end on it. So that's headlights, grille. This is the grille off the Galant. It's in surprisingly good condition. This trim here down the bottom has a tiny dent there. Not bad though, but there's not much I can do about it. You can only just sort of feel it, and I've already given this a clean up with all of these products. I found the most effective was to hit it with the Scotch Brite to take, because it had, I don't even know what to call it. It was like dirt, sort of surface rusty type stuff, similar to that bit just down the end there. But I found the most effective way was to sort of Scotch Brite it, and then with the softer side, just to polish the heck out of it. And it came up nice. It's gonna get better, but I need to deal with this grille first. So the plan for the overall look of the car is around these things here. These are the chrome trim pieces that go around the edge like that. One on that end, and another one goes down this end. And then there's the chrome piece that goes along the front of the bonnet, which I don't have actually. I'm going to have to make something there. But I think it's going to look really nice because it's going to form this chrome sort of mouth that goes around the front of the car, and then I want to black out everything in the middle of it. So all of these little sort of silver painted on pieces here, make them black. This is all the rest of it's black, but refresh that. And I'm not sure what to do about this badge. I don't think that would look good black. So I'm thinking I'll remove this completely and just clean it up, and then put it back in as is and see how it looks with sort of this chrome mouth and just this cleaned up badge thing in the middle. Maybe I don't know. I need to think about this some more, but I'll take this out for now because I'm not sure I want it to be black. I have another grille with another badge which is in the same sort of condition as this. It's a bit, I'm not sure if that was originally red or what color that was originally, but I'll pull it out, give it a paint, and then I'll assess whether maybe some of this needs to be black. Maybe I should black everything out except this centerpiece here. Maybe I should just clean this up, leave that as chrome, and have all the rest of this as black. I thought it would look good with a chrome mouth, everything black, and then the chrome grille, the chrome badge, but I'm looking at it now, I'm not so sure. the valance is on, all bolted up. And it was a pain. GoPro battery went flat, so I'm not sure where it's cut out, but I needed a stud extractor, and I needed a thread tap. So I'll let you figure out what happened, but it's fought me for quite a while. Anyway, got it done. I need to put in the bonnet catch mechanism that goes here, and there's a bar piece that goes here that the valance screws up to, so it screws through the valance and into the radiator support. So I'll put that in, and then I think it's the headlights. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, so it's all done, and I've got a big box of headlights here. That's the bracket, which we don't need. We need this retaining ring. I need 4 of these retaining rings. It's got 4 headlights. There's another retaining ring. And there should be 2 different types of globes. I believe the outer ones will be the headlights, and the inner ones will be the high beams. If that's wrong, can someone correct me in the comments? That's what I'm intending to do. I intend to wire the outside ones as the normal lights, and then the high beams in the middle. So I expect that the outer ones will have 3 prongs on them. They're a sealed beam. So this one, that's got 2 prongs. So this must be a high beam. Working one-handed, holding the camera is not ideal, but so yeah, I think this one's a high beam. Up. This one's got some green on it. Must have been paired up with that headlight down there. Anyway, I'll give them all a clean up. This one's pretty crappy. It's got some black paint and stuff on it. Because you will see the outside, the front edge of these anyway, the leading edge. You'll see like that. So I'll give these a clean up quickly, and then we'll start putting headlights in. Wow, looks pretty good. I think I really like how it's blacked out in the middle, but that's still chrome. And then there's going to be the chrome ring around the edge. There's a piece that goes along the front of the bonnet, and then the eyebrows that go around the headlights. Nothing's attached properly yet, like all this chrome's not sitting there correctly. This guard was pulverized on this leading edge here, so I'm going to have to mess around with the chrome a little bit to get that to fit better. But that's basically the concept of what we're going for here. What do you think? I think it's a victory. I think it looks pretty killer, actually. Awesome. All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.